If you have used AI video tools before, you know the problems. You write a prompt and the character looks perfect in the first frame. Then by frame 3, their face has warped. By frame 10, the background has melted into something unrecognizable. You try again. Same result, different glitch. You need a walking shot. You get a teleporting shot. You need a character to pick something up. You get their hand phasing through the object. And to get anything usable, you need to know 20+ models. Seedance, Kling, Veo, Sora, Haihuo, for video, image, and audio. Each one lives on a different platform. Each one requires a different subscription. Each one has a different interface. You are not creating. You are managing subscriptions. Models have progressed, but no one built a coherent system for serious creatives. It has been a patchwork. Advanced AI with no creative control underneath. I spent more time regenerating clips than editing them. I was not directing. I was babysitting prompts. That changed when I found this. This is Seedance 2.0 on Lama.art, the first AI video model that actually understands motion, not just frames, complex movement, object interaction, real-world physics. It does not break between shots. It does not forget what a hand looks like. Step 1. Open your browser. Type Lama.art in the address bar and press enter. Log in. If you do not have an account, click Get Started in the bottom left and complete registration. When the page loads, look at the left sidebar. You will see Home, Presets, and under Tools, Image, Video, Voice, and Character. Click on Video. This is important. Do not stay on the home page. You need the video workspace. Now look at the bottom of the screen. You will see the creation bar. Click on the mode name. It says Create Video by default. A panel opens. You will see 8 options: Create Video, Animate Image, First and Last Frame, Extend Video, Edit Video, Reference Image, Reference Video, and Motion Control. These are all powered by Seedance 2.0. Do not skip over these. Each one is a different workflow. Let me show you the main one first. Click Create Video. The panel closes. You are back on the video page. Look at the text box at the bottom. Click in it. Type your prompt. For example, a cinematic shot of a woman in a red dress walking through a futuristic city at night, neon lights reflecting on wet streets. Now, here is the most important step. Look at the model name next to the prompt box. It defaults to Pixverse v5.5. Click on it. A full model selection panel opens. You will see Seedance 2.0 at the top, marked with new and hot tags. Click Seedance 2.0. This is where the difference lives. Now set your parameters. Choose duration, 5 seconds or 8 seconds. Set your aspect ratio, portrait for TikTok and Reels, square for Instagram, or 16:9 for YouTube. Set resolution to 1080p. Toggle audio on if you want background sound. Select how many videos you want, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Click Create. Your video starts generating. Watch the generation panel. Seedance 2.0 processes the motion, lighting, and character consistency in real time. Wait for it to finish. Now here is where everything else falls apart, and Seedance 2.0 does not. Go back to the mode selector. Click on Animate Image. Click Add Image and upload any photo. Click in the text box. Type. The camera slowly zooms in while the subject turns their head and smiles naturally. Select Seedance 2.0 as your model. Click Create. The static image becomes a living scene. No morphing, no glitches, natural motion. Now here is the moment that made me stop and pay attention. Click the mode selector again. Choose First and Last Frame. Click on the first frame upload area. Upload your starting image. Click on the last frame area. Upload your ending image. Click in the text box. Type. The character walks from the doorway to the center of the room and sits down on a chair. Select your model. Set duration to 8 seconds. Set resolution to 1080p. Click Create. Watch what happens. Seedance 2.0 fills in every frame between your 2 images with smooth, natural motion. No guesswork, no random generation. You control where it starts and where it ends. Every step in between is calculated. Now here is the second capability. Extend video. Click the mode selector. Choose Extend Video. Upload the video you just created. Click in the text box. Type. The character stands up from the chair and walks toward the window. Click Create. Seedance 2.0 picks up exactly where your clip left off. The lighting stays the same. The character looks the same. The motion is continuous. No jarring cuts, no visual breaks. Now look at this. Edit video. Click the mode selector. Choose Edit Video. Upload your video. Select the part you want to change. Click in the text box. Type. Change the sky from day to sunset. Click Create. Seedance 2.0 edits only what you asked for while keeping the rest of the video intact. You do not regenerate the whole clip. You do not lose credits. You do not start from scratch. Now here is the most advanced capability. Motion control. Click the mode selector. Choose motion control. Upload a reference video that shows the exact motion you want. Upload your subject image. Click in the text box. Type a brief description. Click Create. Seedance 2.0 extracts the motion from your reference video, the walk cycle, the hand gestures, the camera pan, and applies it precisely to your subject. Same character, same motion. One instruction. Look at this. Reference image and reference video. Click the mode selector. Choose Reference Image. Upload one or more images that define the style you want. Click in the text box. Type your prompt. Click Create. Seedance 2.0 generates a video inspired by those reference images. The color grade, the composition, the mood. Reference video works the same way with a video file. The pacing, the movement, the rhythm, all replicated. Same character, same world, same visual language. One person, one laptop, a few minutes. To export, look for the download button on your finished video. Click it. Select your resolution. Your video downloads in seconds. I built this in 10 minutes. Compare that to what you could make in 10 minutes with your current tools. The difference is not just quality, it is control, it is consistency. To build this setup on your own, you would spend over $120 a month. Roughly $20 for a reasoning model, $30 for an image generator, $50 for a video tool, and $20 for audio. Lama.art gives you Seedance 2.0 plus 20 other models for $9.99 a month. No separate subscriptions, no juggling between tabs. One platform, one payment. Seedance 2.0 does three things that change everything. First, consistency across frames. The character does not warp. The background does not glitch. Second, real motion understanding. Walking, running, turning, object interaction, handled naturally. Third, a complete workflow. Text to video, image to video, first and last frame, extend, edit, reference, motion control, all in one place. This is not AI with frames, this is AI with motion. And for the first time, a complete AI video production system exists for serious creatives. If you are a content creator, a filmmaker, or a brand, use Seedance 2.0 on Lama.art now and save yourself the hassle of regenerating, fighting with glitches, and managing 20 different subscriptions. Go to Lama.art, click Video, select Seedance 2.0, type your prompt, try it today. Link is in the description. Cinema has a language. Seedance 2.0 finally speaks it.